All right, welcome back, guys. Welcome back to another day. I told you guys I was gonna vlog today. So yes, today is another day. The boys don't have any school today, so we're doing some barbecue hamburger patties, and then yes, I'm gonna show you. This is Marlson. Marlson, welcome back. Anyway, so I've got some exciting news today. I'm actually trying out our new camera gear, a new addition to our collection. I'm not a camera tech gear guy, but I'm just excited that I'm testing out a new one. It's actually the Action 5 Pro. Hopefully this will be a good addition to our camera arsenal. But yes, I think I'm liking it. It's much better than carrying around a full body mirrorless camera on your back, and it's not a fun thing. So that's a plus for today's new edition. It's really exciting that when you're out and about on your daily routine every day, and if you just want to take out a really small camera for vlogging, that this would be a perfect item for it. So yes, going forward we'll be using this one just in case if we're in a rush. But yes, I think I'm liking it. I hope that the quality of this picture, the video, is also good. And then yes, so look, hey, where's everyone? Oh, look at that. I don't know if you can see, you guys can see it on or it can show on the camera now. The sun is just about setting right now. It seems like this camera does pretty good in low light. Yes, I'm gonna try to see if I can change some setting on here, and then I'll be right back. All right, so once again we're gonna do a test again just to see how stable this camera is. All right, I'm gonna try to walk and see if we can test it out and see how stabilized this camera is. Trying to walk around as fast as I can. Now I'm running. I know this is a different type of vlog because I'm running right now. Usually I don't do this, but I'm just testing that thing out. Whew. Is it stable? Is it stable? Is it stable? Is it following me? I'm actually running right now. Whew. It is good. It is good. Okay, did you get the hot dogs? It's in the back. Somewhere. Ooh. All right. Okay, I'm gonna go make my salmon. Put some seasonings on there. And then we're gonna put them on the grill as well. All right. Sockeye salmon. Napuga. You got it?
What up, guys? We're just assembling the burgers. We finished some of them. Yeah, we're just gonna have just a day full of eating. We invited some people over.
Austin, can you pray so we can eat some of this because I'm hungry?
Oh.
Pray.
Please help the people and the things I forgot to pray for. Pray. Amen.
Amen.
Where's the ketchup? Where's the ketchup?
Never mind, because I already...
Where's the ketchup?
You guys are fired. You guys were out all day and forgot cheese.
They're gonna bring it. So like, leave one for me, so. Where's the ketchup? Give me the ketchup.
Hey, there's no other plate.
Okay.
Can you put...
Sorry guys, we forgot. Oops. We forgot the important part of this. Too much cheese and mustard. But there,
Also, can you take this?
Janice is coming with the cheese.
I need to go get the bigger pan.
Jermaine is coming with the.
Can you take this
Mustard.
from my end?
Huh?
Can you take this? Is bothering me.
Another one.
What?
The mic.
Oh, we need some for this.
But yeah, we're just gonna cut up the ribs when it's done. Big old thing.
Can you
Right.
put one of the...
And my dad prepped this. Yeah. No, we're just gonna.
Who wants you? No.
Just one? Just one or all of them?
Yeah. Put this in the middle.
We don't get paid to do this. Oh.
Yeah.
Don't cook all of them, okay?
Do not for you guys to... How much is it?
32?
1, 2, 3,
Oh,
5, 6,
we still got 2 stacks left. 13? That's 13? Plus 3?
How much you gonna eat? Like 10?
Yeah, maybe.
Ahora, tú no puedes.
I'll eat every burger. Every like for what? Every like equals 1 burger.
Hey, okay, throw them like 5 more then.
Ahora.
Bro, go show him.
But guys, just missing a little bit of cheese, but you know, Polynesian sauce. That's where it's at. Gotta get your mayo and your ketchup. Like and subscribe, guys.
What's that? You want?
Here.
Not even often.
Put more bread on though.
Oh, this skin, guys. Look at this. I'm gonna mix it with the rice. Can you flip it? Is it done?
I just flipped that one.
Woo! Woo!
Finish?
No.
Big back.
Want this one? Put some Seagram 7 in my cup, please.
What?
For what? Secret. Oh my goodness, guys.
That's amazing. Like, it's unbelievably delicious.
Only put the bread in one spot. Don't put it
Ooh.
raw meat, right?
Yep. You gotta do it medium rare. Oh, it's my glass right there. Oh, right here. Wait. It's okay.
What are you doing?
Yeah. I'm trying to. Oh. Look. Man, oh man. Yep. Okay, somebody needs to put Mama's one. Okay. Whichever. Okay.
This one.
Put it in there.
What? You not doing your hot dog?
Well, kind of like too much grill.
Fried salmon. This is the block. Hey, call Russian to come out.
Yeah, Russians are newly signed.
Newlywed. Mark, flip your burgers.
Like medium rare.
Medium rare on the fish. On the fish?
Of course.
That's where it's at.
You don't want to overcook it. It's gonna be
Flip
dry.
your burgers though.
Oh, I thought you meant.
Give me Mike. Put this over here.
Oh yeah, that looks good.
It is. It looks good.
It's
You
done.
don't look on the camera, but
It's done.
No, it's not
and
done.
then bam with your
Flip it back,
6 and
flip it back.
7.
Like 2 more minutes. Hey, these are might be done though.
Oh yeah. Thank you, boys.
Yep.
I don't think you need to wait for the cheese or anything. Can you do me a favor? Can you run up and get the Johnny seasoning? It's in the far left on top. Is it the camera? Show it to him.
That's good.
It's good, huh? Sockeye salmon is good.
You said 2 minutes on these?
What about the roof? The roof is almost. It's not too.
We'll move it.
No, it's always put in. No?
Yeah. No. This one.
What's today's date?
27.
27?
Mm-hmm.
Today's 27, but we need to save one of the burgers or the ribs for Uncle North. He's gonna come on February 8th. February 8th.
Like tomorrow.
No. February 8th, Uncle Lord is gonna come February 8th. So we need to save one of the ribs for him. And of course the salmon. The salmon is good.
Yeah.
Guys, you guys have to see this one. Look.
What
Oh my
happened here?
goodness.
Oh.
Mark, see, they're gonna finish fast.
It needs a little cheese.
So-
All right, buddy.
What do you think?
Yo,
Oh, yo, that's buzz.
also, I just want to say, happy early birthday to Auntie Janet. Shout out to you. Tomorrow's her birthday. I don't know when this video is going out, but happy birthday to Auntie Janet.
Wait, her birthday is tomorrow?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. So that's why I asked if we're doing this for our birthday.
Yeah, you know.
Hot dogs.
All right, thank you, boys.
Cheese.
Yep, of course.
Thank you
Put
for-
more bread?
Thank you for
1,
dinner.
2, 3, 4, 5.
We thank you guys for watching our video today. I don't know if you guys can hear me. I said thank you. Oh, I said thank you guys for watching our video today. It's really not a long, video. We just wanted to test out our new camera.
Yep.
But then again, these guys, they don't have school today, so we decided to just have a little burger cookout. Hopefully, Auntie Jenny will show up today because I was just told and informed that her birthday is tomorrow.
Yeah.
I apologize. We're all going back to work tomorrow, but this will be an advanced happy birthday celebration for you.
Yep, we love
Happy,
you.
what you're now, what,
45 now? Oh, 54? Oh, 34? Or 23? Alright. Okay, well, happy advanced. Happy birthday.
Like and subscribe, y'all. I guess this is the end of the video. We're just gonna finish up cooking everything, and then, you know, family's gonna come over. But yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also in the description below, check out our merch. Valentine is coming up, so you know, if you want to get your, you know, some merch, but yeah, support us and just stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so you get notified every time we upload. No, I'm just kidding. Guys, be safe out there. Love and goodbye.
Okay, tell them safe.
No.
Subscribe. Huh? Like this video. That's good.
Hope you enjoyed the video.
Bye bye.